Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how I made this gorgeous shorts. If you're interested and you want to see something like this, please hit that subscribe button and watch this video to the end. Thank you.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. If you're new to this channel, my name is Tofunmi and I'm the creative director, House of Awelewa. So long and short story, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to cut a simple play shirt. What you're going to be needing is your measurement book, your tape rule, your chalk of course, and then of course your scissors. So let's get right into it. If you're not subscribed to this channel, this is your chance to do so. The length of the short we are cutting is 17 inches. It doesn't have a band. This short does not have a band, and I'm going to add 1 extra inch for sewing allowance. That is for turning at the lower part and at the upper part. So we have 18 inches. I'm going to mark the 18 inches all the way on both sides and then connect it together. So the next thing we are going to be doing is taking our crotch measurements and our hip measurements. My hip measurement is 8 inches. I'm going to add half an inch because we'll be turning at the upper part, so that makes it 8.5 inches. So I'm going to mark my 8.5 inches like this, and same 8.5 inches on the other side. The crotch measurement is 12 inches. I'm going to add half also, half inch, 12.5, and then I'm going to join it together. Now my thigh measurement is 22 inches. 22 inches divided by 2 is going to give us 11 inches. What I have here is past 11 inches, and that is this is 11.5. That's deliberate because I don't want it to be too tight and I don't want it to be too loose. Just a little bit, just small space for ease. So the next thing I'm going to do is to find the midpoint of this horizontal measurements. So what I have, like I said, is 11.5. That's going to give us 5.75. So I'm going to mark my 5.75 all the way. 5.75 all the way. So this 5.75 that I've marked, this straight line I have marked like this, is going to serve, let me open it so that it can be more visible. It's going to serve as our midpoint. So it's from this point that I'm going to take all the measurements. This is because we don't want one side being more bulky than the other. It's a pants, it's a shirt. We don't like trousers. Does not have to be unnecessarily bulky. So for my waist measurement is 28 inches. Divided by 4 is going to give us 7 inches. But I'm going to add 1 extra inch just for the joining. So that's 8 inches. I'm going to make it. So from this line, I'm going to measure 4 here, 4 on this other side also. 4 here, 4 here. So that's going to give us 8 inches. That means it's equal on both sides. My hip measurement divided by 4 is 9.5. I'm going to add also 1 inch. So that's 10.5. 10.5 divided by 2 is 5.25. So that's what we have here, 5.25. And of course, we're going to use the whole measurements for the thigh measurements. So it's a straight short, so I'm just going to connect from the thigh measurements all the way down because it's a straight short, so we're using the same measurements. Now to get our crotch, I'm going to use the 1 by 1 measurement. That is 1 inch in like this, 1 inch in here, and then 1 inch tall at the. That's it. Basically, that's it. So I'm going to join this measurement. I'm going to join the waist to the hip, and then go all the way and form our curve. That's it, basically. That's it. So on the other side, I'm going to just join it together like that also. And basically that's it. That's the best and the easiest way to cut your pants. So we're going to cut it out. So this is what we have for the front parts. Now I'm going to go over and do the back parts. So you remember that we didn't add any allowance to the front part, so we're going to add all of the allowance to the back part. Our regular 2-inch allowance, we're going to add it to the back part away from the edge like this. So we have 2 inches, 2 inches, 2 inches, 2 inches, 2 inches. So I'm going to trim out this front part first and then trim out the other side. So this is it. This is what we have. This is the front part and this is the back part. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is to add my darts to the back. I'm not going to add any darts to the front, so I'm going to add my darts just to the back, and I'll come back and show you guys. So I'm going to add darts to the back, and this is what it looks like. Just look at it. It looks so gorgeous. I've added that and I've joined it together. I've ironed it rather. So the next thing I'm going to do is to join the back to the front like this. Join it in one piece each. Join it separately. Join the back to the front. Same thing for this side. I'm going to do that and I'm going to come back and show you. So I've gone to iron it out and this is what I have. I'm going to join the front and the back and this is what I have. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is to join this place together, join the middle ground together like this so that it becomes a whole ass shot. I'm going to do that and I'm going to turn the lower part and come and show you guys. So here's the final product. Here is what you have. Can you guys see how gorgeous this shot looks? See, this is what it looks like front and back. So cute, it's so gorgeous. And that's it. That's the end of this tutorial. If you enjoyed this tutorial or if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. If you haven't subscribed, this is your chance to hit the subscribe button. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.